All right, shifting our focus now, the Indian Space Agency ISRO is all set for the launch of its 4th rocket mission of this year.
And this will also be ISRO's first commercial mission for the year. The PSLV launch mission will hurl 2 European satellites into orbit on Wednesday.
The twin satellites are part of a European space science experiment which is called PROBA-3. The name is derived from the Latin word which means to try or try it. PROBA also is an abbreviation of Project for On-Board Autonomy. The mission is the 4th in the series of PROBA missions that the European Space Agency has been performing over the last 2 decades.
European Space Agency combines the technological might 22 European member states to explore space-related technologies and promote economic growth in the region. PROBA-3 is a unique mission involving 2 satellites. It aims to demonstrate precision flying in space, somewhat similar to how fighter pilots fly their aircraft in perfect sync. PROBA-3 is a project more than 10 years in the making. More than 40 companies across Europe have contributed to this mission. And finally, the mission will be circling the Earth in less than 24 hours from now.
And WION's principal correspondent Siddharth MP brings us the latest details on the PROBA-3 launch mission.
Well, Siddharth.
In the year 2001, the Indian Space Agency ISRO's PSLV rocket launched the European Space Agency's PROBA-1 satellite. That marked the first instance of an Indian rocket launching the European Space Agency's satellite. And now 23 years later, we have another European Space Agency satellite, PROBA-3, that is ready to launch on the Indian workhorse rocket, the PSLV. The rocket is now ready at the spaceport Satish Dhawan Space Center, and the countdown is underway as we speak. This is a 25.5-hour countdown that commenced at 2:38 p.m. Indian time today. This is a countdown that will go on until 4:08 p.m. tomorrow, Wednesday. That's when the rocket will blast off to space. This is a crucial mission for the global science community because this is the first ever time that 2 satellites will fly extremely close in space in a pre-planned manner, and that too fully autonomously. This is known as a formation flying. Typically what fighter aircraft do and what expert pilots do, that's exactly what these 2 satellites will be doing fully autonomously in space. This is a technology demonstration, and both these satellites will be trying to look at the sun and study the solar corona, or the outermost atmospheric layer of the sun, which is also the source of space weather and solar flares. So it will be looking at that region to explore space weather. This is a very crucial mission. Once successful, this could pave the way for future missions, including more powerful space telescopes and related technologies that can be done using formation flying method. From Chennai, Siddharth MP, WION World is One.